So the question I have today, guys, is why does Kenny's Jake not work? So I'm going to fire him up, see if I can short out the micro switches for the Jake and see if it's just a micro switch, because maybe that's the only reason why his Jake's not working. But first, I got to check the oil, because, you know, a guy should check your oil. So... I haven't actually checked the oil in a while, but he's been sitting, so it's a perfect time to check it. You know what? It's right on the full mark. Actually, just a smidgy over full. Mind you, he's also leaning to the passenger side, so that's probably fine. And it's getting black. So that's a good thing. Good, good, good. So let's fire him up. And yeah, I don't know if I have a tester here at this house though. I have to do some investigation. See if I have a test light. Okay. Look at that. Lube oil. It's also annoying how all the debris comes up over there. They really should have made a... And that's thinner than a popcorn fart. Oh my goodness. Not a lot of meat there. But, no, well. I think I'm gonna... Oh dear. There's some repairs. Kenny could use some repairs is what I'm saying. The nice thing with Kenny is it doesn't smell in here. It doesn't smell bad, I should say. A little bit like an old truck, but not bad at all. And I think I could probably set the clutch up. Don't really have any free play. Let's see if he fires up. You know, that's really impressive. You let this truck sit for a while and she just fires right up. It's good old Cummins. Fast idler. This might be easier than I thought. You look under here, here's the micro switch for the clutch, and I just looked and there's a wire off of it. So then I thought, well, what if we put this back on? Nothing. Okay. See, when you step on it, it trips it, right? That wire was definitely off. So let's rev it up a little bit. Turn the fast idle off. Put the Jake on 3. It could have blown a fuse too, so let's check that. Okay guys, so I checked the fuses and it's actually got a circuit breaker in there, and that appears to be okay. So my next thought is do what's simple. So I'm gonna pull these off and put a jumper wire in and then see what that does with a jumper wire. essentially my jumper wire, all it's doing is bypassing the clutch micro switch. It's kind of interesting that that wire was off, so I thought for sure that was going to be it and it was going to be a simple fix, but I should know better by now that it's not usually simple fixes. How do I put air in the seat? Oh, there we go. Whew. This is a crappy seat, but you know what? The price was right. So let's see. I got Jakes, baby! On position 1, so it looks like position 2, position 3. No. Getting any smoke? Oh, I want to go take Kenny for a drive now. I wonder how much fuel's in it. I should dip the tank. It's kind of a pain to dip the tank. Maybe we'll pull out of here first though. Maybe I'll pull out and dip the tank. That's probably a good idea. Apparently there's a bit of a bump here. I need to clip you guys in. Where can I clip you guys in so you don't... Try that. Might work. Yeah, baby. Okay, so we know it's a micro switch. So now I just need to figure out how much fuel's in it. So I need to get a dipping stick. I got my lights working. Headlights are on, marker lights are on. So the problem with these tanks the way they are, I pretty much have to, well, this tank, I can dip this tank. I was gonna say I pretty much have to tilt the cap forward to dip the tank. But I think they're tied together now. I can't quite remember, but I'm pretty sure. And I can dip this one. Builder or master BSer. So if you're new to the channel, you probably don't even know about Kenny. Hopefully you've watched the older videos. But Kenny is my OG. And the plan is, or always has been, to stretch Kenny out and make him a BJ in the bear truck. But his cab, he's a little rough. So it's a lot of work. Well, it's going to be a lot of work. And I don't know if he'll actually be the BJ in the bear truck. I would sure like to, but I just put the deck on him, left him short, because it's fun. Here's my fuel line. So Kenny's got plenty of fuel. I know because it's on my hands now. I know, you know, it's like stinky. So anyways, let's take it for a little rip around the block and see if we can make him smoke a little. So yeah, this Jake, I haven't Jake Kenny in like forever, so.
Like Low and Slow does. Low and Slow's got the bark. But man, this thing's got power. I'm pretty sure the fuel pump's turned up in it because man, she blacks smoke and she takes off. It's really a lot of fun. But with the 18 speed, it's almost too many gears. Well, it is too many gears. Too many gears for an 18 speed, so. Well, not too many gears for an 18 speed, but it's got so much cojones that park it before my neighbors, you know, bleep bloop it on the old Facebook that there's a cab over hot rodding through the neighborhood. You're like, what's that crazy truck that guy up to now? But gosh, I love this truck. I mean, Kenny really needs to be stretched out. It's too short, way too short. It just doesn't drive nice. I mean, maybe if the front suspension was a little bit stiffer, but it's a little bit of a wobbly whooper. It's not rough, but it's just wobbly. Does that make sense? Wobbly whooper? Probably not. Probably not, but that's okay. So we're gonna take her, park her next to, or him, or park it. Next to Low and Slow. Such a fun truck to drive. I am the luckiest guy in the world to have two cab overs. Not one, But, well, actually, no. How many do I have? I have 5. This is why I can't wait to get Smokey done, and also K2. Oh, high range reverse. It's fine. Get it low range reversing. I should probably move low and slow over to give myself some more room here. Would really not be good if I backed into the well house. Makes me happy, guys. Ow. Yeah, buddy. Jake's be a-working. My oil pressure seems low. I hope that's just the gauge. I guess that's better. It's not like a cat that has real high oil pressure, so makes me happy. Got the bear over there. Can't forget the bear. You'll have to stay tuned for the next episode, guys, because here's a sneak peek. That's right. My side panel is painted. It's etching primered, so we're getting closer to putting Smokey back together and making them whole again. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe down below. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Damn, that's gonna look good.